Buti nabanggit ni Senator Marcoleta yung kay may mga video. Kasi Mr. Alex of Legacy, no, Alex Abelido, may napanood akong video mo eh. Sabi mo wala kang flood control. Tapos wala kang ghost. Tama, ikaw ba yan?
I'm representing Legacy, sir.
Legacy, ikaw.
Yes po, sir.
Napanood ko yung video eh, ikaw eh. Ikaw ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, tapos, parang may mga actuation ka ron, tapos sabi mo wala kang ghost. Wala kang luxury vehicles. Maganda yung asawa mo. Yun yung mga sinabi mo dun eh. Ikaw ba yun?
I think somebody just played with the video, sir.
AI.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Senate President. Ako napanood ko rin yung sa TikTok, Ikaw nagsasalita, sabi mo, wala po akong luxury vehicles, wala po akong ganito, pero maganda po yung asawa ko.
Sir, somebody just played with a video. Probably.
Pero boses mo yun, at saka itsura mo yun.
Hindi po.
Hindi
Mr.
mo
President.
boses yun?
Hindi po.
Anyway, so hindi pala ikaw yun. Because, sasabihin ko sana, parang sinabi mo rin dito na meron kang flood, ghost flood control.
Your Honor, we don't have any ghost projects.
Sabi mo wala. O yun ang sinasabi ko dito sa video na to eh. Baka ginagawa eh. Kasi dito sa listahan namin, meron ka eh.
Pwede nating mapanood, Mr. Senate President, kung meron ka?
Pinapahanap ko nga wala eh. Ang nakita namin ito eh. Legacy Construction Corporation.
Napanood ko, medyo gwapo ng konti kasi sa...
356.42 million. Four. Two Region 4B, dalawang Davao, dalawang Region 4B. Ito'y galing po ito sa, DPWH.
ICI, yan.
Yan, at saka ICI. Na ghost projects na inimbestigahan nila at pinuntahan nila yung lugar eh.
Mr. Baguio, yung sinabi ko, biro lang yun, baka kala mo
Abelido.
Alex Abelido.
Biro lang yun, biro. Thank you.
Oo.
Sir, we were not informed by any district or regional officer regarding those ghost projects, Your
Well,
Honor.
anyway, I'm just citing official records. Records of the DPWH submitted to the ICI. Investigated. Yun lamang po eh. So, anyway, so kung hindi naman ikaw yun, talagang yung AI eh, danger yan eh, no?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay.
Napanood niya rin ba kaya yun?
Napanood mo rin ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero sigurado ka hindi mo boses yun?
Hindi po, Mr. President.
Alright.
Ano exactly sinabi doon? Napanood ko na, kalimutan ko na eh.
Mr. Chair, nalilimutan ko na rin, Mr. Chair. I want to forget about that also.
Basta ang maliwanag lang doon, wala kang luxury vehicles. Kasi napapag-usapan mga luxury vehicles eh. Parang wala ka ring mga mansyon, parang ganun. At wala ka ring ghost project, pero maganda yung asawa mo. Hindi ikaw yun.
Unfortunately, Your Honor, it was not my voice.
Ako, I believed it was you when I watched it eh. Ikaw, did you believe it was you when you watched it?
No, Your Honor.
Because you knew that it wasn't you. Kasi alam niyong hindi ikaw.
Ang totoo lang dyan, Mr. Chair, maganda lang yung asawa ko.
Ayun lang totoo. Okay.
Senator Marcoleta, baka gusto mong bawiin yung sinasabi mo. Anyway, thank you.
Bigla
Thank you,
talaga-
Mr. Chairman. Ayoko na.
Mr. President, talagang bigla siyang gumawa po talaga.